Good morning, my friends. I'm talking low because it's early in the morning. I'm not going to say I just got up. I've been up a minute, but I'm getting ready to cook up this chicken. This chicken is left over from a barbecue that I gave the seniors, and it's left over. It's boiled already, but I'm going to put it in a pan and add some barbecue sauce to it, and I'm going to make a salad to go with it, and I'm going to take it to the senior center today for lunch for some of us. So I just want to vlog some stuff because, you have to be intentional on this YouTube thing. So this is what I'm going to make today. I'm going to show you how it comes out, and I'm going to show you the pasta salad that I'm going to make to go with it. Come on along. It's early, early, early. Also, before I forget, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all my new subscribers, my old subscribers, and my future subscribers. I want to say I appreciate all of you guys. I'm getting some comments, some feedback. It's making me feel good to make me want to do more. So I thank you. So come on in here. Let's do this chicken. As you see, this is the chicken. This is the way it looks. It's been boiled already, and I had froze it, and now it's unfrozen. I'm gonna put it in the oven for a little while and let it cook, get warm, get hot, and then I'm going to take it out. I'm gonna shake it up in some barbecue sauce, and then I'm gonna cook it for maybe a half hour, 45 minutes, and then it will really, really be some good chicken. You'll see how I do it when I'm done. So this is the salad that I'm gonna make to go with the chicken, this pasta salad. So I'm gonna get ready and just cut up the other stuff that I wanna put in it. A red onion and a green pepper. So come on, we're gonna cut these up. I know it's early and I'm not gonna ask you guys what you guys are having for dinner because this is just a quick little thing I'm doing for my seniors that I so like to hang out with at the senior center. So, I always try to give back to them, I believe that's my calling. I was a caregiver for my whole family when they got sick. And so now I love to take care of the people probably and feed them. So, like I said, it's early in the morning. That's the stove went off to tell me that it's at 3:50. It's early in the morning, and I'm cooking for my seniors. So, I'm gonna get this all cut up and prepare for this. I'm gonna start my water boiling. I got the water on for the pasta. I put a bouillon cube, a chicken bouillon cube in it, and I'm waiting for it to boil so we can drop the pasta. This is Sudden Lee Pasta Salad Classic. Pasta with red bell peppers and seasoned blend. I guess that's already in there, but y'all see, I cut up some other stuff to go in it. Bell peppers, green bell peppers, and purple onion. You'll see when I assemble it. So it says it has it in there, I guess. But I cut up more. And these are the seasoning packets with that stuff in it. You gotta mix that up and pour it on there. This came out the box. That's seasoning. So we just waiting on the water to boil. Okay, this is gonna boil as much as I'm gonna let it boil. I'm gonna drop these little boxes of noodle in it and let them start cooking. Stir it up. We're not gonna let them cook too long. I think I'm gonna move it to the other side here because I want to check the chicken and probably put the sauce. Probably put the sauce on the chicken. So let's do that. All right. This is the chicken I took out the oven. Then I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce on. See, it started turning, getting darker. So this chicken is already seasoned and stuff. We just gonna put some Baby Ray's on it. Y'all see that? Baby Ray. And I'm gonna stir it up. Cause I wanna coat all the chicken all over. All right, Baby Ray's. I know we got more. I'm gonna sit you there and let you come down. And I'm gonna get a spatula and stir it up. Ooh, maybe not too much because the chicken is falling apart. Look at this. Because this chicken is done. This chicken is done. Maybe I got to turn it a little easier, huh? Yeah, not so rough, Denise. That's my name. Retired Shenanigans, AKA. This chicken gonna be good when we finish. It's starting to look pretty good. Ah, I hate when that happens. But we'll clean it. The noodles are boiling now for sure. What you think? Cover it? Yeah. We're gonna cover it with some aluminum foil and let it cook slowly and then uncover it to dry. But we're gonna cover it right now. You know what I want to do? I want to put some chicken broth in it. Bouillon. Y'all think so? Just so it won't dry out in the oven. I'm gonna do that. I'll be back. I looked in my cabinet and I have some of this. I'm like, why not use it? I've been using those bouillon cubes, but this we're gonna use so it don't go bad before it expires. Here we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. We're gonna get some aluminum foil. Aluminum foil. Cover it up. And put it back in the oven. And let it cook for a little bit. And then we want to take it out and uncover it for a little bit. I eyeball the time. I'm not going to tell you what time. I don't know how long. It's just going to be when I check it. Alrighty. Come back. Okay. We're going to mix up the pasta salad. It's been cooked, drained, and cooled. We got to mix these packets to put in it. They don't want to open. So let me get my handy dandy scissors. My handy dandy kitchen scissors. So we pour all of this in here. We have 3 packs. I'm going to pour all 3 in it. Oops. Oops. hot, people. Oven on, and I'm hot. So it says, stir together, season, cold water and oil in a medium bowl. Set aside. Okay, we need 1 tablespoon for each one of these boxes. So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of cold water. 3 tablespoons of cold water. I have water in my refrigerator with my Brita. So we're gonna use 3 of those, cold water. 3 of those, that's 2, 3. There we go. 3 tablespoons of cold water. Then we're gonna use some of this olive oil. Olive oil. 1, 2, 3. All right. We're gonna get us a little mixing spoon and we're gonna stir it up. Where's my, there we go. This one. We're gonna get our little mixing spoon and we're gonna stir it all up. Y'all see that? Then we're gonna pour it on here. And while that's doing, I'm gonna put the onion and this stuff in there that I cut up. Onion and peppers. So you have to put a little extra in it. Not much. If you want to make it any kind of way you want. And you don't even have to use this seasoning if you don't want. I've come to realize, but I like this seasoning, so I use that seasoning. Then I put a little more Italian dressing in it. Or no, I use balsamic dressing and I pour in it. See how that look? I like this mixture. I think I'm gonna make it a little thinner. I'm gonna get a little more water. Give me a little minute. They say oil and water don't mix, right? Is that why I look like that? I ain't put maybe about another teaspoon of water. That ain't much. Now we're gonna pour all of that on there. There we go. Take our spoon and we're gonna stir it up. I always lose my food, as y'all see when I cook. Why y'all think that happens? I make it with love. I mix it with love. That's why. Look at that. We're gonna taste it. Y'all know what I'm gonna put in it. Y'all know. Y'all know, y'all know, y'all know. If y'all know me and y'all watch my show, my vlog, I'm gonna put it in. It ain't gonna be much, but it's gonna be a couple of teaspoons of this sugar. Just a couple, not many. 1. We gotta offset that tang. 3. We gotta offset that tang taste with some sweetness. That's why I'm gonna put a little balsamic vinegar in it. That's a little sweet. Let me see. Balsamic dressing. Here we go. And it's light balsamic dressing. I'm gonna pour some of this in it too. I'm gonna season it though with some seasonings. I'm gonna get my infamous garlic and herb. Let's get some of that and put in it. Let's get some of that and put in it. Garlic and herb. Balsamic vinaigrette marinade. Okay, not much. I like this stuff for this type of salad. We're gonna taste it. We put the garlic and herb in it. y'all think that's enough for my seniors? It ain't but about 4, 5 of us. I'm gonna put a little pepper. 4, 5 of us. Let me see, me, Kathy, Stephanie, Jill. That might be it, 4. This is enough. Let me get a spoon. And we're gonna taste it. And we're gonna see if we need anything else in it. Look, I'm so used to eating everything hot, I'm blowing this. This is cold. That's good now. I'm trying to taste it to see if I need to put anything else. I don't think so. I truly don't think so. No sugar. I'm gonna put another squirt of this though. Enough pepper. Enough of this. Tastes pretty good, people. Pretty damn good. So, it's finished. Easy. Easy, easy, easy peasy. And we're gonna look at our chicken and see what it's looking like in a minute. Yes, we is. I'm gonna show it to y'all. I'm gonna show it to y'all. And see. Now I'll taste it again. That's good. That's good, people. All right, I'm covered up. I'm put it in the refrigerator. Hey, my friends. I'm here with this ending because the ending that I had for my chicken, my senior chicken lunch, I don't know what happened to it. I don't know. I went to edit it and it was gone. I had showing y'all the chicken and the salad together. But anyway, I just want to say thank you if you made it to the end of this video. I hope to do better next time. You know, things happen. I guess we all have some type of mishap when we're filming. Check me out. When we're videoing our vlogs and stuff, but I just so sorry. The chicken came out looking so good, so good, so good. But another one bites the dust. Thank you. Thank you for making it to the end of the video. I want to thank all my new subscribers again, all my old subscribers, all my future subscribers. I'm going to come back with another one, and it's going to be better than this one. Thank you for watching.